let the record reflect that the jury is present in the courtroom with the defendant and her attorney and the state assistant district attorney. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we do know that we went out on this case, I think on Wednesday of last week. And between Wednesday to today, there were some legal matters that had to be resolved. State as well as defense gave brief. We had arguments, we had hearings, etc. And based on the findings of this court, this case ended with what we call an instructed verdict. And so therefore, the case is over because of some legal issues. And so therefore, your services will no longer be needed. But I like to assure you, and I tell people this all the time. I know you're probably sitting here saying, oh, and came here all this way, we've been here all this time and we hadn't did nothing. We wasted our time. But ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you did not waste your time. Because things that happen in trial, we have to first have a trial. We can't have a trial without a jury. And so when you show up, the process, the jury trial starts. And then once that process starts, issues come up that is either resolved by the court, and when you get it, it's resolved by you. So, but the issues that came up was resolved by the court. And so therefore I couldn't do my job without people like you taking time out from your busy schedules to be here to serve on the jury. So again, behalf of all the citizens of Jefferson County, and behalf of the staff here in County Court at Law number 2, we'd like to thank you for taking time out from your schedules to be here today. Now, as you note, last week when we let the individuals who did not make the jury, I told them that normally I shake hands. But because of our pandemic, I can't shake your hand. However, I could give you an air shake, okay? And so again, this will conclude your service. You can check with the bailiff and get with the district clerk's office. And ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you for being here. And I will ask and pray that each and every one of you have a blessed day. All right.
Did you also release them from their oath that they're allowed to talk with us now?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now let me do this here. Since the trial is over, you can talk to the lawyers if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. That's your choice. But you can talk to them because, as you noticed, when we was under the oath, we saying you can't read no newspapers. You can't talk to each other about the case until you actually get the case, you know, when you're deliberating, and you can't talk to nobody else. But now you're no longer under that oath. And so therefore, if you choose to talk to any one of the lawyers, you can. If you choose not to, you don't have to, okay? So again, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this will conclude your service. Each and every one of you have a blessed day. And I see, is that a Marine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for your service, sir. I see the tattoo.
What's the call number?
Clause number is 315.